everyone. So we're not unboxing squishmallows anymore because I'm no more. So here, what's in here? I don't know. And wow, this is good cooking paste. So here, what's in here? Let's open this McDonald's. So that was just my piano. So this one. Wait, glitter pens. I know this. This was mine. No glitter pen. Another glitter pen. Another glitter pen. A pencil. Another glitter pen. And a scissors. And a razor. You know what that means? It's for me. I said, call it to me. So it really does look amazing. It does look good. Wait, I'll just put these back so no one knows that I've been using this. Because I've been doing this. So, you know, if you want to go to a public foot bath, not foot bath, if you want to go somewhere to or anything like that, you must go to Fatima Village, located at the Fatima Village, in Tacloban, in Pala. So, bye-bye. Wait. I just forgot. I really need to open. Hey, why is there some ribbon? It's another joke, and it's a rhino. It doesn't say but better. Why is it like this? Wait a second. How did this get here? Everything's pee-pee will never go back there. So, if you want to watch more of my videos, click subscribe and I'll make more. Bye! My name is Talia Queen of Lisirita again. Bye-bye!